Hi, I'm Bradley LaFave, WebPT's Director of Product Marketing. I'm here to talk about the WebPT Scheduler, the tool we developed to help rehab therapy practices maximize front office efficiency. You can use the scheduler to build, edit, and view schedules for patients, therapists, equipment, or treatment rooms, anytime, anywhere. The best part? It's always perfectly synced up with your documentation. Let's take a look. First, let's navigate to the scheduler by clicking View Schedule. As we can see from the agenda, we already have a very busy day ahead of us. Once we're in the scheduler, we can toggle through the calendars we'd like to view under the scheduling navbar. We can also add, remove, or rename calendars, as well as customize our appointment color coding and icons by clicking Manage Calendars on the Schedule Actions navbar. We'll take a look at that later, but first, let's schedule a patient. Find the day for which you wish to schedule an appointment and click the desired time slot. This will open up the Add Appointment window. The appointment will automatically include the time duration you established in your defaults. More on that in a minute. You can also use the Create Event option in the Schedule Actions to open up the Add Appointment window. Next, begin typing the first or last name of the patient you wish to schedule, and select that patient from the What drop-down box. Suggestions will populate when you type in at least 2 characters. If the patient has multiple cases, be sure to select the correct case from the drop-down. This will help with reporting and ensure that all visit notes are finalized within the correct case. Once you've selected the appropriate case, verify the appointment is scheduled on the correct therapist calendar and in the correct clinic location. Next, select the appointment type from the drop-down menu. Options include initial exam, follow-up, re-exam, orthosis fabrication, or a custom appointment type of your choosing. Does your patient have a special request or something else that needs to be called out? Add this to notes. If this is a recurring appointment, select the frequency of the recurrence in the Repeats drop-down menu. Now, let's talk about one of our members' favorite scheduler features, automatic appointment reminders, which help your clinic stay on schedule, maximize patient time, and reduce cancellations and no-shows by as much as 30%. You can also send appointment reminders via text, email, or phone call. Make sure the reminder checkbox is selected if the patient has opted into receiving reminders. Now, all that's left to do is click Save, and voila! The patient's appointment is now live in the scheduler. If at any point you need to change a patient's appointment time, simply drag and drop to reschedule like so. Next, let's check out how to create, add, and remove calendars and set preferences for appointment colors and icons. We can create new calendars under Calendar Settings and User Permissions. We're offering aquatic classes, so let's create a pool calendar. Make sure the calendar is set to public if other people in your clinic need to access it. Once you've created a calendar, add it to your schedule view by clicking My Calendar List. Let's add the pool calendar we just created and click Save. Finally, let's add a custom appointment type and color for our aquatic patients. You can change the appointment colors and icons by clicking Clinic Settings. Let's call this custom appointment type aquatic and make the color blue. Then, click Save to finalize the changes. As you can see, the new calendar we created is ready for use. Let's schedule one of our waitlist patients for the pool. You can view this list by selecting Waitlist from the Schedule Actions or by clicking Select from Waitlist in the Add Appointment window. Our waitlist feature can assist you with getting patients in the door who would otherwise have to wait longer to start the healing process. Remember, cancellations can lead to lost revenue if the spot remains unfilled. With Waitlist, you can quickly find a patient to fill canceled appointment slots. Let's add this patient to the schedule. Okay, now that we've scheduled our patient, let's run through the appointment check-in process. Simply click the patient's appointment and select Check-in to get started. This records the patient arrival with a timestamp on the agenda and a checkmark in the appointment if icons are enabled in the clinic scheduler settings. From here, you can see your patient's existing balance, add and update charges, and keep track of copays. Looks like this patient has a copay. You can also choose another charge type, amount, and description. Click the checkbox for paid if the patient is making a payment at check-in. Be sure to denote the payment method and any pertinent comments. Want to streamline patient payments and collections for a hassle-free workflow? Use our integrated payments feature to easily accept credit card payments and securely save cards for future payments directly from the scheduler. Payments then flow into many billing solutions, including Therabill and WebPT billing. So are you ready to check out the WebPT scheduler and see how you can use it to maximize front office efficiency, maintain a full schedule, and improve patient retention? We'd love to show you everything this tool has to offer during a fast, fun, and totally free online demo. Simply click the link to get started.